We have a lot of options to scrape the web. Of course, you can make such automations. This is an automation that I have found in these free templates, and you can scrape for everything. But what I want to show you right now is to scrape leads. And it can be actually really easy. You do not need to make an automation. You can do something that is easier and a lot faster. We do it with a Chrome extension. And I have made this video already in German, and that's why I want to show you the video, but I have dubbed it with AI. So right now, AI Army is speaking, so that we have a real AI course.
Of course, we can also use special AI tools or software to search for leads. If you enter Mapscapa in the Google Chrome Web Store, you will find this software. This is currently the best software you can actually find. Accordingly, you just click on this symbol and you click up there to add to Chrome. Since I have already added it, it is of course already included for me. Probably not for you. Accordingly, you just click install here now. After that, you can go to your Chrome extensions. For that, you click on settings, extensions, and 99% of the time you'll find the thing here somewhere. It looks exactly like this. Maps, Scaper, and Extract Business Leads. You need to activate it, and once it is activated, it works. It is now saved under this puzzle piece here at the top. When you click on it, then we have here Maps, Scaper, and Extracts Business Data. When you click here, your surroundings where you live will automatically open, but you can scout the whole world. You can enter what you are looking for up here. I'll do a silly example now. Fitness. Studio Frankfurt, for example. We enter that, and now we are scraping the fitness studios in Frankfurt. You see, it automatically zooms in. We should be somewhere in Germany now. Yes, exactly. We zoom in a bit here, and now we get loads of fitness studios in Frankfurt and their surroundings. Now we just click start extraction and we'll begin exporting all these fitness studios as a list. And you see, we're searching for more and more fitness studios here. It's really going up. We're getting tons of leads incredibly fast, 74, 80 and so on. And when you zoom around on this map, you can also go over here. If, for example, you want to focus more on this position, then the gyms will be searched here as well. As soon as you think you have enough leads for now, you can click stop. Then you go here and you can download it as a CSV file. I like CSV. Occasionally, you can also download it as an Excel list already. Accordingly, you click here, download, and then in your downloads, you have this list as a CSV file. So now I have exactly this list in the CSV files, and you can open it with Excel or whatever. I'm just going to open it with LibreOffice. Maybe someone doesn't have Excel installed on their computer because they haven't paid for the Microsoft stuff. You can also use LibreOffice. It is, of course, completely free. We click on LibreOffice. We click OK. And you see, now we immediately have all the data from the business. What you don't need is the ID number, but what you do need is the name. Here you see all the names of the gyms. You probably don't need the address. You don't need the featured images either. You also don't need the Bing Maps URL. Accordingly, you can organize yourself a bit here. To make this as simple as possible, I'll make the ID list tiny, the name a bit smaller. The address, as we said, we don't need, so very small. We don't need the images either, so very small as well. And those two, we don't need the image URL at all, latitude and so on. So you don't need most things. What I might actually keep an eye on here is the name, the rating. For example, if you only want to sell to studios that have 4.5 or higher, you can find your way around here very quickly. You can also keep the category. They are gyms or kickboxing gyms, depending on whom you want to sell to. You can also keep when they are open, so you know when you can call. You can immediately find their website here if you want to check it out. But the most important thing is, of course, the phone number. Accordingly, you can immediately text or call the phone number. The phone numbers work best here, of course. You might also be able to use the email addresses, though you can see that not all have the email address listed here. But at least we have the mobile number. That's the most important thing of all. Additionally, you may also get Instagram profiles if they have Instagram profiles or Twitter profiles. Most of them, of course, don't have Twitter, but as mentioned, what you really need are the phone numbers. If you want to organize it better, you can also simply copy things separately. You could copy this column and paste it into a new file, just the name and only the phone number, for example. And then you have everything perfectly organized. You have an incredible number of leads with the phone numbers. Congratulations. You can call everyone and do cold calling. In that sense, have fun scraping. Yes, I know scraping is sometimes a bit controversial, but it is data that we can view publicly. Accordingly, people do want to be called. Especially a business wants to be called. If you find data somewhere on Google, of course, there's nothing wrong with just giving a call, even though cold calling is actually not allowed in Germany. It's simply the common practice that most people do. You could, of course, also set up a small automation on WhatsApp so you can message everyone at once. However, you must always consider that automations have the side effect of making you less personal, and as a result, you will reach fewer leads.